Microsoft and the legs.
Now, FKF Division 1 side Dandora Youth FC has received a major financial boost after its sponsorship deal with domestic airline Skyward Express worth 4.8 million shillings was renewed today. The two-year deal will cater for the club's logistics and financial needs as the club looks to be promoted into the second-tier football league in the country, the National Super League.
And of course, coming from Dandora, this is always a big thing because of course of the background of where we come from. So of course it will improve our facilities, it will improve of course our performance, and it's a joy every time we come in this office. To whom much is given, much is expected. So it's not a pressure. For us, I think it's the best thing because we don't go for matches to lose. Of course, we go for win every time we show up. So I don't think it will bring any kind of pressure. Of course, from us or from the sponsorship, I don't think they put money where there's no value. And of course, whatever value we give them will be no less than winning.
You support a youth team. First of all, the first thing you do is you keep these young people busy. You keep them off the streets. If you don't keep these kids off the streets, you know the rate of crime will increase in the community.
Moving on, Barcelona twice fought back to secure a 2-2 draw